Welcome to Jurisedge Academy's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about important weekly legal news for the week of 9th May to 14th May 2022. So let's start this video. In first important news, the Delhi High Court has passed a split verdict on criminalizing marital rape. In a very important judgment of RIT Foundation versus Union of India, a two-judge bench of the Delhi High Court has passed a split verdict on a batch of petitions challenging the second exception to Section 375 of the Indian Penal Code, which exempts forceful sexual intercourse by a man with his own wife from the offence of rape. In this case, Justice Rajiv Shagder has held that the exemption to the husband from the offence of marital rape is unconstitutional. Exception 2 of Section 375, 376B IPC was therefore struck down by him as violative of Article 14. He has held that the impugned provision insofar as they concern a husband having intercourse with his wife without consent are violative of Article 14 and are therefore struck down. In second important news, the Supreme Court has ordered that Section 124A of the Indian Penal Code to be kept in abeyance till the Union government reconsiders the provision. In the case of S.G. Wombat-Kere versus Union of India, the Supreme Court has agreed with the centre's suggestion to defer the hearing of petitions till it reconsiders the provision of Section 124A of IPC if it could clarify how it planned to deal with the pending and future cases till the process was complete. So the Supreme Court has held that we hope and expect centre and state governments will refrain from registering any FIR, continuing investigations or taking coercive steps under Section 124A of IPC when it is under reconsideration. It will be appropriate not to use this provision of law till further re-examination is over. In third important news, the Supreme Court has directed the MP State Election Commission to notify local body elections within 2 weeks. The Supreme Court has done this in light of not holding elections in over 23,000 local bodies in the state of Madhya Pradesh. So in the case of Suresh Mahajan versus State of Madhya Pradesh, the bench has recorded that the elections have not been held, assumedly for the reason that the state has still not been able to complete the triple test formalities as predicated in the decision of Vikas Kishan Rao Kavali versus State of Maharashtra. The court has held that the constitutional mandate to hold local body elections in time is inviolable. Neither the State Election Commission nor the state government, or for that matter the state legislature, including the Supreme Court in exercise of powers under Article 142, can countenance dispensation to the contrary. Lastly, the Supreme Court has held that protection of environment would have precedence over economic interest. In the case of T.N. Godavarman versus Union of India, a 3-judge bench of the Supreme Court has talked about important principles of sustainable development and precautionary principle. The court has held that adherence to the principle of sustainable development is a constitutional requirement and precautionary principles essential feature of the principle of sustainable development. In case of a doubt, protection of environment would have precedence over the economic interest. The court has said that precautionary principle requires anticipatory action to be taken to prevent harm, and that harm can be prevented even on a reasonable suspicion. This brings us to the end of our weekly legal update. This week has been extremely important because of the decisions on sedition and marital rape by the Delhi High Court. So if you like this content, please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.